Select ride or race.
Only say important shit.
Oh, I hacked my way into this one.
Yeah, so fucking, this is Sena party for sure.
We got Maxy plus 5 others, 4 others.
Yeah, it's a gang.
Let's go. Oh shit.
That guy's going bow hunting.
Huh?
That guy's going bow hunting. I saw his nest up there in the woods.
Oh, bow hunting. Oh, that's dope. Gotta turn that UNA mode, bro.
Oh, what?
UNA mode?
I think we go left. We're jumping on the highway going to Cleveland, right? Where are we?
If we go to
Pittsburgh.
70.
Yeah, we're going to Pittsburgh. I don't know why I said Cleveland.
I was gonna say, where are you going?
Where am I?
We got a problem back here, is he good? Dude on the white 636 cool? Oh, he's fixing his helmet.
I hear that whistle.
Oh yeah, you'll hear it in the mic for sure. That is so funny. You hear the chirp? I can hear you, bro. You hear the chirp and the whistling.
Fucking killing it.
I'll be telling my kids when I'm playing in the street, like, oh, stop.
I think, yeah, we take a left here. I know where I am.
Okay.
Kinda.
Bro, this is your second home now. It's like,
Yeah, right?
that thing sounds great.
Alright, we're good. Really tight corner here.
Alright.
I think it's this way. Uh-oh.
Yep, just you.
Snow skis?
We got the guy who's never been to Pittsburgh before leading the way.
Bro, that's stupid.
I'm the only not local and I'm leading. But I don't know if I'm going the right way on it.
It's the same way that we left to go to Pittsburgh the first time.
I just love how this thing is fixed right up.
What, you mean third with this fourth?
Second.
Wow.
Third gear.
Oh, Hunter, you didn't get to. Hunter, you didn't get to see the video.
Car coming.
Car.
Yeah, you walked out once. There's a bunch of the road got some shit in it too.
Ooh, I bet you got a dope ass shot.
Yeah.
Second gear, that thing come right up.
There's another car coming.
Yeah, careful with this one.
Definitely a nice ass ride today though.
Oh yeah.
Roush.
That was a Roush?
Yeah.
I think we go north, right?
Yeah.
I'll wait for everyone.
Mr. Semi-Truck, hello. Man, I hope we don't hit no traffic. What is today, Friday? Oh, God.
Yeah, we're hitting some shit.
Oh,
We're staying right towards Pittsburgh.
God.
I say we lane split.
Yeah.
We got enough people. Big comes to a standstill for sure. If it stays like this, that's fine. Yo, Corey, we can slow down and fucking do some
Shit, I think we're about to, yeah, we're hitting this turn up here, right?
Yeah,
Stay right.
yeah, we'll just scrub speed. Fuck with it. Look at all the fucking cars.
Ooh, that tire's starting to feel really squishy.
Oh yeah!
Real squishy like.
Corey,
Yo,
are you taking off?
no. Stretching my legs a little bit.
I saw you.
Ooh, shit.
Oh, that shit in the middle of the fucking road.
Mutilated that thing.
Yeah, that's a pancake.
Oh, shit.
It's coming up.
Oh God. This bike's making bad noises.
You said what? Your bike?
Yeah. Whatever.
He says whatever. He says this bike isn't making good noises.
I don't know why I did that. Damn, it looks like Superman got into a fight over here, you know, threw him against the wall. Broke all the brake off. Yeah.
Actually, they went through there.
They did?
Yeah. Superman threw somebody through there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it went into a whole different map.
A whole different map. An Easter egg map. There's Pittsburgh over there. You guys ever call it Pittsburgh?
Yeah, I used to.
Don't be talking shit.
Ah! Oh, the cop light. It'll measure my wheelie. H2 chisel. I'm about to drop a valve.
Says I'm about to.
What?
Says I'm about to drop a valve. I ain't gonna be cheap on that fucking thing.
It'll be cheap because I'll do it.
Yeah.
And I'll make money off it, all. As long as the videos are good.
Oh yeah, she's starting to spin now. Traction has officially left the chat.
Damn, dude, lots of boats out today, huh?
Oh, that's a constant Pittsburgh thing. You could probably come here on a weekend and just go stand down there and ask people, or not even ask, just talk to people, keep it cool, and they'd probably just ask you like, "You want to come for a ride? We're about to go out on our boat."
Oh my god, I'll be down.
People do that shit all the time down here. We got a cop up here.
There's a cop?
Yeah, in front of us.
I just pulled a fucking wheelie.
Well, I guess you're far back enough, but
I didn't notice.
yeah, once you get up here,
Should I just creep backwards?
I said I just creep and just leave.
Shuffle the layout.
Just disappear. There it is. Alright guys, we're back. We got Maxy from Max Wrist over there. IxAMHUNTER. RandysReality back there. Their links will be in the description. As usual. I'm on the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2. We had a nice ride today. Went out to where Maxy's camping out. Did a ride with a bunch of a handful of people I don't really know quite yet. I know that well. But overall it was a good time. Maxy did some wheelies. Raced the H2 a little bit. I got to ride the Aprilia V4, which was very enjoyable. And I mean, otherwise it was a blast. I mean, it was an absolute blast. We had a great time. We're gonna go get something to eat down here in the city, and I'll probably get back with you guys later. Otherwise, Slick Rider Race, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing up. Until next time.